Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing a PG which is near KJU. I'll be showing you guys the rooms and the facilities included in this PG over here. So this building is also under ASCOM and this is the main address over here. When you come here, you will have biometrics here. So this is how you enter this PG. I'll be showing you the rooms and all the facilities included in this video right here. So let's go together. Mine is not here basically, so I'm just trying it out. See, it's not here. Oh, I'm not here. And you also there's face. So if your finger is not working, I think face they'll do. And there's pin or something is there. So I think they'll tell you all about that when you enter this hostel, because I'm not a person who lives here, so I don't know much about that. There's two entrances to this building, and this is basically the entrance which is going to the lounge area. So this is the lounge area right here. So if you're coming for admission and all, this is where you have to sit and wait. And this is the office area. And also there's workers also to clean your rooms and all. Every day they'll clean your room. Alternatively, day they'll wash your washroom and mop your floor. So cleaning and all is done by the workers here. Now I'll show you guys the mess area over here. And when you enter the mess area, this is where people eat their food. You can either order your food and eat, or then there's mess here too. So if you want mess, you have to pay extra and then you'll get your mess. Also they have washing area here, like to wash your plates and all. And there's towels too, and then drinking water. If you exit this area is where you will see the stairs where you go to the rooms. So this is the corridor area in this hostel, and there's stairs over there and lift over there, so you don't have to worry about walking too. And guys, if you're wondering about the water facilities, filter water will be there in alternative corridors. So this is in 5th floor, and you will have your waters available here, drink water. And also it's there in 3rd floor, so it will be there in alternative floors. And it's there in ground floor, 3rd floor, 5th floor. So it's like alternative floors, it's there, water facility. So guys, now I'm going to show you the rooms which is available here. There's without study area and there's with study area. So this is a room without study area. So when you enter this room itself, you will have 2 beds available here with provided table and chair for each individual. And this is where your cupboards are. There's a separate place just for your cupboards. So each individual have their own cupboards here, and 4 people are staying in this particular room. So 4 cupboards are here, and there's a common area, common washroom for all these 4 people. It's quite big. So this is like the sink, and the heater is also available 24/7. So this is the common area for all the 4 members which is going to be here coming. And then this is the separate room for this 2 people, and it's like they'll also have a separate table and chair. Each individual has separate table and chair. And then there's also windows, 2 sides there's windows, so there will be enough ventilations in this room. So it's like a separate room inside a rooms. And they will also have balcony. They have a separate balcony, you can see outside. So over there, that's our college. Like, yeah, it's so near that we can literally see our college from here. So guys, that is our college right there, and it's so near. And this is where you dry your clothes. So you can dry your clothes here. Like, you have plenty of place to dry your clothes here, like separate balcony for you guys. So this is how a room is without study area, and it's pretty much good for a person living. One more thing, Wi-Fi is also included. In each room, there will be separate Wi-Fi, so you don't have to worry about your Wi-Fi connection. You will have Wi-Fi too. So this is what is provided in the first room without study area. They also have a window here. See, a person who have a bed over here can literally see the view. Actually, they can see the college from here. Come here, show the college. They can literally see the college just from here. That's our college right there. There, guys, that's our college. So a person who's in this room can literally see a college. That's how near it is. So you guys know. So this is what's there. Now let's go to the second room. So now I'm going to show you a room which is having study area. So when you enter itself, this is the study area. So you will have your separate table and chair here. For each individual, you'll have a separate table and chair. And 4 people can stay in this big room right here. This is basically like a hall. And if you come here, this is the first room which is here. So like this is Two beds are available here. You know, if you're best friends and you can't leave your friend apart, this is the perfect room for you guys. And there's ventilation actually. There's ventilation over here and there, so no need to worry. And then there's a plug. You can, you know, charge your phones. There's two plug available. And here is the balcony, and you can like dry your clothes here too. But there's no specific view over here. But then this is the balcony. If you come here, I think there's more view. It's like, yeah. And if you're worrying about the cupboard, which is not there in that room, this is where the cupboard is kept because there's no efficient space for the cupboard to be kept there. So the cupboards will be here, and also table and chair, everything will be here. And if you're wondering about the washroom, there is a washroom available for all four of these people. It's quite small to the other room we saw, but this is also, it's like pretty much big. So there's heater available and also storage space actually. And you can hang your dress also, and there's heater obviously available. And this is the washroom for all these four people. And if you come to this side, there's another room with your cupboards will be included, and also you have storage over there, so you can keep your luggage or something over there. So there's efficient space actually. And this is the two beds available. They'll also provide mattress. You don't have to worry about that. They'll provide mattress, mug, table, and bucket also. This is their ventilation area. This is like outside. You can see outside. If you don't want to see, you can just, that's it. And also there is Wi-Fi in this room also. So every room you will be having Wi-Fi. So this is a room where you will have bit study area, and this is quite big. And this is how it is. So I've showed you guys two rooms, and now let's go see what all other facilities you have. So guys, right now we are in the terrace of this building, and this is where you wash your clothes and dry your clothes basically. And it's actually a nice view right here, like, and you can see the college from here. So guys, that's how near our college is. Like, it's like 4 to 5 minutes walk from here. And now I'll show you guys the washing machine facilities. Also, there is like washing stone available here. So if you are a person who is liking to, like, you know, wash your clothes with your hand, you can wash. Like, some clothes will be like having some more dirt, so you can use the washing stone thing. And there's wash machine too. So about the washing machine, you will be allotted with certain time, like, you know, you will get time. And if you want to wash again, like, if you can ask permission here and wash if you want, if you have more dress or something urgent is there. And this is how it is. It's quite good. All the facilities you wish for is actually here. Washing machine is here, Wi-Fi in each rooms. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any more doubts or any questions to ask, anything else, you can comment down. I'll be answering to everyone. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Okay, bye.